Today I'm going to pick up some equipment from SX Pro, which is a pro audio shop outside of London that basically occasionally send me some bits and pieces to review and test out. But today I thought I'd go out and about and go there to pick some up. So we're just getting close to SX Pro now, and I'm going to go in there, and whilst I'm picking up the bits and bobs that I need to get, I'll ask the main sales guy there, Dale, if he's around, just some quick rapid fire questions that I've been asked a lot in the comments about different bits of equipment. He sells every bit of equipment and has a knowledge on it, probably a different type of knowledge to me, so that'll be interesting to see what he thinks. And yeah, let's go in.
How you doing, mate? You alright? Oh yeah, you're right. Alex.
Is Dale around?
Yeah, certainly is, mate.
Do you know that I was coming in today? No.
He mentioned it, yeah.
Okay.
I must have slipped my mind.
Okay.
Can I get you guys a coffee or something?
That's it. Got on the go. Hello.
Hi mister, how you doing?
Yeah, not bad, you alright?
Yeah, good, thanks. Weight tank is a really good one. There's a mono compressor, this. It's a mono variant compressor.
Okay.
They're handmade in America. Absolutely beautiful product. It's really fast for a VMU, but it's got a really neat trick. The drive adds a load of kind of upper harmonics.
Right, okay.
So for example, bass guitars, when you want to just cut through a bit more, sound a little bit more aggressive, that'll do it.
How much are they? They're over £1, aren't they?
No, they're not. Like 900 quid.
Really?
Yeah, really
This
well.
looks great
really
for 900 quid.
And
doesn't
no,
it?
feel the quality of it. Like the
It
knobs and the
looks
switches and stuff are really good.
It looks fucking great.
For the money, that's well good.
Yeah, I love this. This looks money. So this is Dale from SX Pro. We're here picking up some speakers. I'm taking these little bad boys back with me, and they're never returning here because Matt wants them for his studio. But yeah, so we're here. So we thought whilst we're here, we'll ask Dale some quick fire, rapid questions, or maybe not so rapid, on kit. So he's got a room full of bits here. He obviously knows his stuff because he's listening, flogging it and mixing on here all the time. So Matt, what are the questions?
What's your best-selling pair of speakers under £2,000?
We don't sell that many speakers under £2,000, but I would say probably the PMC Result 6. Now they're gone under £2,000 very recently.
Next one.
What's the best thing about your job?
Best thing about my job, I get to play with loads of really great gear. We only really do high-end stuff, so I get to play with all the best stuff. I get to mix on every single monitor under the sun, play with all the sorts of compressors and EQs on the market, and get to know them all.
Toy shop, basically.
Yeah, sweet shot.
Yeah. Next one.
What's your most exciting new product that you've recently taken on?
Most exciting new product? That's a really tricky one, man. I really like the McDSP APB16 because it's so different from what everything else is happening on the market. It's really forward thinking. I think it's really future proof as well. There's loads of stuff coming out for that, so yeah.
So I've got £5,000 to spend.
Look at you.
I've got no. I wish you did. I've got no equipment already.
Yeah.
I'm a mix engineer. What do I buy for £5,000 that's going to basically cover me off until I start making some more money?
£5,000's a really good starting budget, actually. You could get yourself a very decent pair of speakers. So
you're going to have to sort your room out, aren't you? And you're going to have to get your speakers done.
Yeah. I mean, let's look at it. So you need some acoustic treatment, you need some speakers, you need an audio interface, and you're going to probably, potentially, depending on what you do, if you're just mixing, a couple of pieces of reasonable outboard would be really nice.
Is it worth, if you've only got £5,000, is it worth going out the box?
Yeah, absolutely. It just depends how far you want to go with it, because you could, I mean, look, if you've got you could get like Pro Tools first and get going on a very simple level, or even on a subscription, and get away with like 25 quid a month or something. So with that, yeah, absolutely, I would still look at like a really nice, like a flexible compressor, like even like a Buzz Audio DBC 20 or something like that. That's a stereo compressor that could be dual mono. and then you could use it on 2 mono tracks, and then you could go on 2 other mono tracks and bounce through, and you get a lot of money's worth out of something like that then.
So speakers, you're going to spend what, 2 or 3 grand on out of that 5 budget?
I mean, yeah, I'd probably look at. I mean, if you'd only need you'd only get a small interface of a really good quality for that price. So something like the RME ADI2 Pro FS, which is I think it's like 1,400 quid. A really, really amazing sounding like 2-channel interface. Doesn't have mic preamps, but I'm assuming you're a mix engineer and not a recording engineer. So that will be like top quality kind of conversion for the money. And then maybe like a pair of PMC Result 6 or something for a couple of grand. Maybe you could haggle someone for a bit of a deal as well to try and.
But would you need to have some sub going on with that then? Because they seem to me like near fields, but if I'm mixing I can't hear the low end, so do I need...
Sure, I mean the only trouble is to get like a full range monitor sound.
What 3 range?
Kind of
Dion Audio maybe? 3?
Possibly Norman KH310. You can get some good deals on those from time to time.
Yeah.
Then those are a decent 3-way with a decent frequency response. But then that eats up a lot of your budget.
I'd like some head speakers in that budget, I reckon.
That could be doable.
Yeah.
Similar price to the KH310s with 3-ways.
About a similar thing. So I'd go for those, and then some kind of I mean I'll be going for like a Prism or a thing, but
I mean a Prism Lyra 1 or 2. But again, Lyra 1 would do you because you don't need the inputs. Helo's a bit more expensive though, so I'm just thinking like to try and leave as much budget as possible but get the good quality, like I say.
I've already blown the budget in 3 items.
Yeah, and say a nice bit of outboard is always very, very nice, because a lot of people come to me specifically asking for something to bring a bit of analog vibe to their sound.
Yeah, okay.
Which plugins are great, and they certainly for a price fulfill a massive purpose, but some are better than others naturally.
All right, good, love it. So there you go. That is Dale on the spot, and we're at SX Pro. So check them out. There'll be a link below, and I'll be reviewing these speakers because I'm taking them back with me, and Thanks very much for your time.
Nice to meet you, Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
No worries.
Sorry about that, what can I get you?
Can I have a fillet of fish meal, please?
We don't actually have any of those at the moment.
You don't have a fillet of fish?
No, sorry.
What? What have you got? You haven't got any fillet of fish?
Sorry.
Oh, I don't know what to do. I just got back, get the speakers in situ for me to be able to do a review on those. Thanks Dale for lending them to me. Thanks for having us there today so we could do a vlog there. Thanks a lot, and I hope you got something out of this. I hope Dale answered some of your questions on what you would have for 5 grand in your pocket. But apart from that, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.